Okay, example 6. 1 and 2 and we got 3 4 and 16 and 19. Okay. Okay, number 6. Example 6 is trying to find out average. Make sure, excuse me, average should be total distance. Whatever you're looking for, total distance. As for this example, total distance divided by total hour, total time. So she has 3 miles for 50 hours, and then because in construction it will take less, so 2 hours for 40 minutes, 40 miles. So total distance is this. Then time consuming, whole time consuming is 5 hours, right? So total distance divided by total hour is 46 miles per hour. Make sure in the average exam, total distance divided by total hour will be average. Okay. Okay, next one is, let me do a little bit zoom out. Okay. Okay, average of A, B, C, D, 4 number is 80. Then we're looking for one number should have E, then average will be 85. So that means A plus B plus C plus D plus E divided by 5 is 84. But we already know that A plus B plus C plus D is 320, because from here we can find the A plus B plus C plus D is 4 times 80, so 320. So from here, instead of A, B, C, D, we're going to replace by 320 plus E divided by 5 is 84. From this, we're going to times 5 times 84 is 420. So 320 plus E is 420. Then E is 100. Okay? And next one is number 2. This one is make sure no more than 100. That means including 100. This is gonna be a tricky. Let me repeat again. No more than 100. That means including 100. Okay. So to get a least score, have to be maximum. 2 maximum. Then final thing is least thing should be in a minimum. So A plus B plus C plus cushion, this kind of least. To make a 100 maximum, then you're going to have a minimum. So A plus B plus C plus D is 320, And the 100 plus 100, 200. Question right there is, okay, 7 times 85 is 595. Then from here, 320 plus 200 is 500, 520. Then move this the other side. Question is 75. Okay, point is this one, no more than 100. Usually include 100. Okay. Okay, number 3. They say given condition is A plus B is 3 times C plus D. Okay. What is the average of A, B, C, D? So that means A, B, C, D plus divided by 4 is a question. Okay, from this condition right there, we're gonna simply rewrite it. A plus B equal 3C. Once it distribute this one, 3C plus 3D, correct? So we need a B, C, D. So AB, we already have it. We need a C and D, right? So we're gonna add C and D both sides. So A plus B plus C plus D, 3C, 3D right there, plus C plus D, both sides. We're gonna treat them equal. That means the equation. So A plus B plus C plus D is 3C, 1C is a 4C, and this is 4D. So we are looking for, average divided by 4, right? Both sides. So we're gonna divide by 4 each side. This is gonna be a 4 cancel out. So A plus B plus C average is C plus D. Okay? And the number 4. Number 4 is, just gonna be a little, once you know this one, you don't have to, be at, you are not at loss in your exam, but you don't see this one, you're gonna be, you're gonna have, confused, embarrassed about this one. Okay, they say x plus y is 6, y plus z is 7, z plus x is 9. What is the average? Okay. You're trying to, we are familiar with trying to find the x, y, z by equation, but you cannot, you can do that, but it's time consuming. So adding all of this equation, adding all together, that's going to be a 2x. 2y, 2z is 22, right? 6, 7 plus 9 is 22. Then divide by 2 is x, y, z is 11. Then we're looking for average, right? So divide by 4 both sides. That's going to be 11 over 4. Okay, next one is a bit closer. Okay, number 16. This also, tricky things. Number 16 is between. Between means you have to excluding 1 and 11. Okay. Also excluding 2 and 12. Do not count this one. So once you're adding this one, this side is better. You don't have to adding it. Just compare. Comparison, 2 is less than 3. 4 is less than 5. That's why this size is greater than this. Okay, number 19. So this is also in the same average problem. Average is also average is a total distance by total time, right? So Jacksonville to Tallahassee, she made a round trip, so total is 2x, right? How about one way? Okay, Jacksonville to Tallahassee, we say x. So what is the time consuming? Yeah, x divided by 60 mile per hour. That's time, and the round trip is x divided by 50. Okay, so this plus the total hour. So from here we're gonna have a simplify by dividing everybody in x. So this is gonna be 2 divided by 1 over 6 plus 1 over 50. 1 over 50. So once you figure it out, that is 54.5 miles per hour. Okay, I have a little space over here, so I'm gonna adding up. a little bit more. Okay, 1,000,001 square minus, okay, 99999 square. How can you figure it out? Yes, they're trying to find out you have any idea of factoring. So once you're factoring this, that is 1,000,001 plus 9999 times 1,000,001 minus 99999. Okay. Are you sure about this one? Your textbook say you're not sure about this kind of things. Okay, let me do this one anyway. This plus this is 2 million. This minus this is 2, so 4 million. This is factoring things. It is listed on your book. They say x squared minus y squared is, once you're factoring this, x plus y times x minus y. Do you remember? Okay. That kind of things, you have to memorize it by making sure x and y is not single. It doesn't stand for single number. We don't know about what's inside of x, what's inside of y. Sometimes more than 2 number, 3 number, something such kind of things. Okay. You are not familiar with this kind of things, you can revisit factoring by Peter Science Academy. Is already fully explained over there. Okay, next one is also testing your factoring your ability. Okay, x is 9999. What is the value of this? 4x cubed minus x divided by 2x plus 1, 6x minus 3. So once you factor in this, we pull out the common factor in the front. So x squared times 4x plus 1. And this one is, I just simply rewrite it down there. Then x is right there. We have to do one more factoring for this. This one is 2x squared minus 1 square. 1 square. That's why 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. I just simply rewrite it. But right there, between 6 and 3, common factor is 3, right? So I pull out 3. So this is going to be more simpler looking. 2x plus 1. So look at this one. This cancel out, 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 right? So left over is x over 3. You see? Then plug in. X is 999 divided by 3 is 3,333. That's it. This one is asking you, trying to find out your ability, how to factoring things. This is a good example. Okay, now we're going to do a little vocabulary. Okay, prescience는 여러분이 이거 미리 예측하다 그런 뜻이에요. 왜냐하면 이 science, 여러분 이건 알죠? science는 알다 그런 뜻이에요. 그래서 미리 알다, 예측하다. 그래서 여기서 나온 말이 predict, 이건 dictionary, 얘기하다. 그래, prediction, 다 똑같은 말이에요. Next one is presentiment. presage, 이건 다 sense에서 나온 말. sense가 알다, 느끼다 그런 뜻이에요. 그래서 다 예측하다로 다 똑같은 말입니다. Thank you.